Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your router supports 5 GHz and 802, 11 AC or newer. Inspect the router label or settings page. Next, check whether your device Wi-Fi adapter supports 5 GHz frequency bands. Open Device Specs or Device Manager to verify. Then use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app to scan for nearby 5 GHz networks and channels. Note channel numbers and whether DFS channels appear. Record signal strength and overlapping networks for later adjustments. Access the router admin page and log in with your credentials. Set the SSID to broadcast for the 5 GHz band separately from 4 GHz. Ensure encryption uses WPA2 or WPA3, not WEP or open networks. Try fixed channel selection like 36 or 149 instead of auto to avoid DFS conflicts. Adjust channel width. Use 80 MHz for speed or 20 MHz for stability. Save settings and update device Wi-Fi drivers or firmware to the latest versions before further troubleshooting. Reboot both your device and the router after updates apply. Reduce interference by placing the router higher and away from metal appliances and thick walls. Keep client devices within 10 meters for initial testing to avoid distance issues. Temporarily disable VPNs or power-saving Wi-Fi modes when testing connectivity. If 5 GHz still does not appear, perform a factory reset and reconfigure only essential settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.